Boys and girls, second generation Sequoia. I don't know if it's a hack or what, but this is a 2010. This is the same on all of the second gen Sequoias. These shitty big plastic knobs that everyone seems to take off, knock off, pull off, spray paint, I don't know. But anyway, they're pretty tight, but to take them off, yank them. They come off, all right? So now say someone knocked it off. These are indexed, yeah? So if you look, there is a key that's cut out. That's this one here. Not these shallow ones, you see? That's a shallow one. The deep one, there's only one, all right? That index is in here with, if you look, you can take your car key, you can look in there, indexes with that. So you can turn this. This is your climate control, and this is what turns. So you can turn this, keep turning it. Probably a better tool to do it than this, but you can turn this until you get to that. That right there is the key, but you're looking for the big one. Keep turning it. Come on, you bastard. Keep turning it. Right there. Right, that one there. See? Those two little teeth. Right in there. Yeah. And you take this, you index it up there, and click. It's in. Snug. Flush all the way around. Yeah. Easy.